Hello everyone, myself Kartik Belsare from Mannalal Gupta Vidyalaya Chandur Railway, District Amravati, State Maharashtra. My project participants are.
Hi, I am Jairaj Rathod.
Hello, I am Roshan Latke.
I will show you working of our project. So first person take the hand wash into their hands without touching a hand wash knob, and he is wash their hand wash basin without touching water tap knob, and then this wasted water recollected into the flush tank, and when he used flush tank he moved their hand above the ultrasonic sensor and all the water drained into the commode and commode get clean. In this project we use ultrasonic sensor, and here is a relay module. Relay module pass the current to DC water pump, and DC water pump work. Ultrasonic sensor is a motionless sensor. When we put our hand below the water tap on, and when we move our hand away from the water tap stop. I request to Jairaj, please continue our demonstration.
In this project, our main part is that we join outlet of wash basin to common flush tank. In this project, we can avail liquid soap without touching hand wash knob. When person wash their hands in wash basin, the water is wasted. But in our project, we utilize this wastewater. We attach outlet of wash basin to common flush tank so that wastewater will be recollected in flush tank.
In this flush tank, we use servo motor. Servo motor push the flush tank knob, and there is we joined ultrasonic sensor on the top of the flush tank, and this is a light indicator to indicate us servo motor work or not. When we move our hand above the ultrasonic sensor, water drain into the commode and commode get clean. That means with the help of ultrasonic sensor and servo motor, we run automatic flush tank.
All project programming controlled by Arduino Nano. Here is the Arduino Nano. We have used Arduino Nano as a controller of our project, which will control our project. We have used Arduino Nano because we have used only 2 ultrasonic sensors. This required less number of pins. We can't use our upper version of controller. The cost of our project will have been increased.
In this COVID-19 situation, our responsibility to take precaution, wash our hand frequently, do not touch anywhere. So in this project we all automatic, we don't need to touch hand wash knob and wash basin tap and flush tank knob. So it is used to free from germs. In this COVID-19 period, when person wash their hands, lots of water wasted. But due to our project, wasted water we utilize in the flush tank, and we are used.
Advantages of our project: first, we save the water. Second, the toilet is contamination free for good hygiene. Third, it saves our money as monthly water bill and electricity bill. Fourth, our project is very helpful for the environment.
Application of our project. We install water saver toilet commode in hotel, home, hospital, schools, mall, business, office and trains.
We know that save water, save earth. Thank you.